Applications of Laws of Physics in Daily Life, presented by Anurag Adhikari. This is Charlie. He's a pretty average student in school. Today, just like any other day, he woke up early in the morning with the sound of an alarm clock. After waking up, he had his breakfast and then he rushed to the school by wearing a black jacket as suggested by his mother. As he was walking down the street, suddenly, in the middle of the street, he saw a dog lying all curled up. So he decided to take some pictures by his camera to show his friends. After reaching the school, he saw all his friends were playing football. Since he had no interest in that, he went to his classroom and started to write his notes using a ball pen. At the end of the day, physics teacher came and gave an assignment: Application of Physics in Daily Life. Charlie raised his hand to answer the question. The teacher called him in front, and then Charlie remembered all about his day and gave a wonderful presentation. First comes the alarm clock, following wave nature of the sound. We know alarm clock produces sound waves by vibrations, and those vibrations are carried by air molecules to reach to us so we can wake early in the morning. Next is the black jacket, following black body radiation. When heat radiation falls on the surface, part of it is reflected, absorbed and transmitted. A black jacket absorbs most of the heat radiations and keeps it from transmitting to the surrounding, keeping our body warm. Sleeping dog, following the physics of thermal conductivity. We know thermal energy radiated by a body is directly proportional to the surface area, and by curling up, dogs reduce their surface area exposed, which means heat loss will be less. So dogs curl up to keep their body warm during winter. Camera lens, following the laws of refraction of light. Camera uses convex lens to take real inverted images. The lens causes light rays reflecting from the surface to refract, which causes them to form inverted image in the camera. Walking, following Newton's third law of motion. Third law of motion states every action has equal and opposite reaction. When we are walking, our foot exerts force to the ground, and the ground also exerts equal force to our foot but in opposite direction, which makes walking possible. Football, following Newton's first and second law of motion. First law states that an object will not change its motion unless external force acts on it, which shows football will not move on its own, someone has to kick it. Second law states force on an object is equal to its mass times acceleration. With this, we can calculate how much force was exerted while kicking the balls. Ball pen, following the laws of surface tension and gravity. The tip of the pen is fitted with a small ball. As the pen moves along the paper, the ball rotates, picking up ink from the ink cartridge and leaving it on the paper. The flow of the ink is based on the surface tension. After giving such a wonderful presentation, Charlie received an A+. And that was it for today, everyone. Once again, I'm Anurag Adhikari and thank you for watching.